Welcome. So today I filmed a vanity tour and all of the stuff I have for like my makeup, Bath and Body Works, pretty much everything that's on my vanity. You guys see what's behind me when I film anyway, but this is going to be like more in depth of what's on my tabletop and in my drawers. So yeah, I just thought I would film this for you guys because I've never ever shown you guys what exactly is in my drawers. So those lights I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm currently looking for something to replace them with. Those I got off of Amazon. Almost everything's off of Amazon. Michael's colognes are on my desk, and this is like my little knickknacks that I have on my desk. My conspiracy palette from Jeffree Star. So we'll just start off with the brushes, I guess. These little brush holders I got off of Amazon, and honestly I've been collecting these brushes for years. I can't tell you where I've gotten them all from, but that's them. My Dose of Colors is my favorite liquid lips, if you can't tell. And these are like all of my nice looking lipsticks, my show offers, my YSL lipsticks. My names were engraved on those. And just like all of my lipsticks that I show off in the front. Like my Selena lipsticks, those I want front and center, and then the lip glosses too. So they just look so pretty in the front. And then I have like my not so pretty stuff in the drawers, but you'll see that in a second. So honestly, this first drawer is just like, I don't even know. Everything, like my lip balm, I have lip mask, lip scrub, lip plumper, basically what I use before I go to bed at night and when I get out the shower. Hair clip to clip my hair back, and then my little headbands that I use when I do my makeup, my contact lenses, and then I have still my like packaging, like the original packaging from my Selena collection. I don't want to get rid of that, so I just keep it right there. And then all of my fake nails that I have there, I got them during the pandemic when I couldn't get my nails done, and I just kind of kept them since then. Haven't worn them, but yeah, those are there. I have 2 of those tweezers because they're cheap and they're cute. Scentbird stuff, and like my little travel perfumes, just kind of chill and hang out right there because I don't really know where else to put them. And then what else is in here? I have like my little nail clipper kit that I used to keep in my purse, but honestly I don't really carry a purse anymore, so that just kind of chills there too. Eyelash stuff and hair clip stuff, so nothing too much in this drawer, to be honest with you. This next drawer, this is my favorite drawer. I have my Volt Ardell lashes that I got, which is like a variety I haven't gotten into yet. My limited edition Nicole Guerrero lashes from Eylure. I'm not going to get rid of those. Honestly, I don't know what the name of those lashes are, but they're just chilling there. These are my favorite Ardell lashes, the wispies. Like, they're kind of long toward the middle of your eye, like the center. And these ones aren't my favorite because they get short toward the center of your eye, but I have them anyways. And then these are my Makeup Shack lashes, or yeah, the Makeup Shack. I got a couple of these a while ago, so I have so many lashes, like Sweet Dream lashes, and just, yeah, a lot of lashes. I collect lashes, and I'll probably always collect lashes. I just like a variety, I guess. Glamify Me lashes are like my absolute favorite, though, to be honest with you. They have a store in Modesto, so the store in Pleasanton isn't open anymore, so I'm happy that the store in Modesto is open because I like to go there and just look at all the lashes. Sometimes they have really good deals too, so yeah, those are my fave, though. And then these are the Lily lashes that I bought a while ago. I've been like taking care of them and cleaning them after every use, so they're still like hanging in there. And then these are my niece's lashes when she was had her lash brand, so I have saved all of those. And then Alondra's, the lash bar. I have all of those, or the lash bar LA. Yeah, so nothing else really. I have those like Trap Boss lashes that I used a couple of years ago. I don't think they're in business anymore though, to be honest. So, but this is my favorite drawer. I love lashes. So that's my absolute favorite drawer. Next drawer. This is kind of hectic and chaotic, to be honest with you. Guess I'll just start here. My Jeffree Star liquid lips that I have, and all of like my tall lip glosses I put there, just because they kind of tip over and fall when I have them on like my tabletop, so I put them there, and I've just been collecting them since then. And I have like my NYX Wet n Wild, and yeah, all of those lip glosses I've had for a while, to be honest. And then my ColourPop Sailor Moon. Kylie, I have 2 of her original before like she did the repackaging and the reformulation. So those are like OG original ones from her launch from way back when. And then those are like my Jeffree Star, like limited edition, whatever, glosses. Random beauty blender. Those are my Artist Couture, like eye powders. I think they're like eye powders. Like you put them on the center of your eye. It's not like a glitter. It's more like a powder, to be honest. I haven't really dipped into those yet. I don't know what's going on with this lip gloss from the Lizzie McGuire collection. I don't know what happened to it. It's separated. Those are like my eye glitter pod things that I got from ColourPop. And then I just have 2 Fenty Beauty glosses chilling and hanging out back there. Extra foundations for different times when I'm a different skin color. And just a bunch of random stuff, like, yeah, like just, I don't know, randomness. Eyeshadow palettes from certain collections and stuff. So this drawer is just like all of the stuff that doesn't really have a place. I kind of just put it all in here. So these are all of like my highlighters and like my blushes. To be honest, I didn't realize how many highlighters I have. I have quite a bit, and I never really like realized it, but now looking at it now, like I have like a lot of highlighters. I stocked up on Becca highlighters before they went out of business, so during their sale I bought a bunch of them. And then the Dose of Color I Love Sarah collection, I got that kind of late, but I wanted to have it because, you know, memories. And Sailor Moon blush. I put clean beauty blenders that are brand new in a bag. Back there is like my NYX glitters that I have stocked back there. And then this is just like extra setting powder and stuff like that. So nothing too much. Back there is just like extra like concealer and stuff for like during the summer when I'm a different shade. I bought like 6 of these before Becca went out of business because this is my absolute favorite primer. Yeah, this drawer is kind of a lot. Hopefully I can get a better system sometime soon so that way I can organize better. This is my palette drawer. This drawer is very, very heavy. I actually had to switch drawers because the drawer above this one used to be the palette drawer, and it started like hanging really low, so I switched it. I think it's just too much weight, to be honest. But these are all of like my face palettes. My favorite Tarte face palette. Still got the old Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. That's like the original first set that came out. I don't really like use it anymore, but I'll probably never get rid of it either. I do my best the best that I can to organize these in the best way possible, so that way I can keep them all in one drawer. But I am running out of room. I really have to stop buying palettes. I pretty much have every color, so I I gotta stick with what I got because I am running out of room. But yeah, those are all of my palettes. I use this little travel one when I go places and I don't feel like bringing a big old palette. I have that, and my little travel highlighter that I have. The I Love Sarah palette. And oh, look at the little Star Wars, the baby Yoda. It's so cute. I had to buy that one. That one was just so cute. I couldn't pass it up. That's the first like Kylie eyeshadow burgundy palette from her launch like a long time ago. I don't use that anymore. That'd probably make my eye burn, but I'll just keep it. Jeffree Star. So that's the original BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette. I use the hell out of that palette. It's like dead, but I'll probably never get rid of it because again, it's like a limited edition. That's the Nicole Guerrero palette. You already know that's my favorite highlighter palette, infamous. And yeah, just lots of random stuff that I have. Not everything gets touched, but like this one I used a lot. That one's been through it. And Violet Voss at the bottom. Now we'll just get into my Morphe palettes. I have a lot. I know, guys. I have a lot of palettes. I don't want to get rid of them. I feel like I'm just waiting to get like better storage, because like once I get more storage, I know like I can put all of this on display. That's like my favorite Morphe palette. I love the colors in that one. And this one is the palette that I used during my wedding. Like I used a lot of those eyeshadows for my wedding look. And this one's like brand new. I haven't even touched that one yet, or that one. I really need to get into those. Jeffree Star palette, and then I have some more Morphe palettes there at the bottom, and the cremated Jeffree Star palette. And oh, I forgot that I had this one here. This one's the Morphe Nia palette, and oh, the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Can't forget about those. Those are hiding over there in the corner, just chilling. I honestly don't use those anymore, but I'll probably, again, not get rid of them. But they're memories. Like, I just want to keep them, you know. I'll wait until I get better storage, and I'll probably put them on display or something. I don't know. But, yeah. Those have all been through it. But, yeah, that's my palette drawer. My heavy palette drawer. This last drawer is nothing really important. I have a extra Nicole Guerrero palette for when I run out of my other one. I have that one next because I don't know if that'll ever be back in stock. This is for when like I soak my nails off. I can drill my fake nails off and soak them off. Extra like Juvia's Place foundations and concealers that are just back stock. I don't know what to do with them because some of them like just are not my shade at all. And then I just have like my hard drives right there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, to some people this may seem like a lot, to some people it may not seem like a lot, but yeah, that's what I have. And then I didn't want to go through like all of my perfumes, but if you guys want me to like film a video on my perfumes, I'm down to do that. So I could definitely film a video on all of my perfumes and what they smell like. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my makeup collection. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks.